Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. A small bakery has a cost equation C equals 150 plus 4x and a revenue equation R equals 9x, where x is the number of loaves of bread. Graph both equations on the same coordinate plane and find the break-even point where cost equals revenue. Interpret what this point means in context. Now let us work through the solution step by step. We have two equations. Cost equals 150 plus 4x, and revenue equals 9x. The break-even point is where these two are equal, where the bakery neither makes money nor loses money. Both equations are already in slope-intercept form. The cost line has slope 4 and y-intercept 150, meaning fixed costs start at $150. The revenue line has slope 9 and passes through the origin. Building a table of values for both lines. When x is 0, cost is 150 and revenue is 0. When x is 10, cost is 190 and revenue is 90. When x is 20, cost is 230 and revenue is 180. When x is 30, both cost and revenue equal 270. That's where the two lines should intersect. When x is 40, cost is 310 and revenue is 360. To solve algebraically, set cost equal to revenue. 150 plus 4x equals 9x. Subtract 4x from both sides to get 150 equals 5x. Divide both sides by 5 to get x equals 30. Plugging back in, the revenue is 9 times 30, which is 270. So the break-even point is the ordered pair 30, 270. Here is the graph of both lines. The cost line starts at 150 on the vertical axis and rises gradually. The revenue line starts at the origin and rises more steeply. The two lines cross at the point 30, 270, which is the break-even point. The break-even point of 30, 270 means that when the bakery bakes and sells exactly 30 loaves, it spends exactly $270 and earns exactly $270, 0 profit and 0 loss. Selling fewer than 30 loaves means a loss, and selling more than 30 loaves means a profit. We can verify. Profit equals 5x minus 150, which equals 0 when x is 30. Let's verify by plugging x equals 30 into both equations. Cost equals 150 plus 4 times 30, which is 150 plus 120, equaling 270. Revenue equals 9 times 30, also equaling 270. Both match, so the break-even point of 30 loaves and $270 is confirmed. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.